What's up, y'all? I just got one of the coolest products that I've been waiting on for a long time. This right here is a Teslong TS43. It has a 4.3 HD camera, 1 megapixel camera that's right there on the tip. You can see that there. And this thing records video and takes pictures in 1280 by 720. So that means you have a 720 output on it. You can also use a memory card to record your videos or the pictures that you take from inside your vehicle. I've actually been waiting on this to get here for about a week now, but let me tell you guys why. I have a little project that I've been wanting to do on my car. It's my drag car. So I'm trying to decide on if it's time to take it to the shop for a rebuild and to see what's going on inside of it. And I need this device here to be able to look inside to see what's going on. So I hold the power button that's right there to turn it on. And you see there that we have a camera that's on the tip of it. And like I said, it's right there. Just to show you a couple features with it. So there's a light that's on the tip. I press this button here. There's 3 settings on the light. As you see, you got bright, medium, dim, and then off. But I need to turn this back on because we're about to go in through our spark plug so I can see the block. Then you also have, let's start here. That right there takes you to a menu to where you can see your image, date, time, auto shut off, memory, just like the basic menu for any device. And then you have the button M switches from camera to video. So we need to go back to, we're going to go back to camera because I just want to look inside of it. So this little tab, just pull up on it and you see it just pops. And once it does that, you have your, on the left to right, you have your memory card slot on the left, memory card slot on the left. You have a reset button right there in the middle in case it freezes up or just in case you need to reset it for anything. It's electronic. And then you have your charger right there on the right. That is a USB-C. That is the normal charger that we see for our newer iPhones and our Android devices. But I'm going to close this up. This thing is IP67 rated. It is dust proof. It is water resistant, so you can use this in the rain. But today for our project, I want to use it to actually look inside my block to make sure that everything looks kosher before I send this off to do a rebuild if that's something that needs to be done. So to get this project started, we are going to use our Borescope TS43. The description is in the link for this particular product. This right here is a godsend if you do plumbing, if you do any mechanical work, any HVAC, because you can use this to see behind walls. You can use this to see through pipes. And for those who's trying to see if there's any damage to a turbo or, you know, your manifold, you can run the wire through there because it has a light so you can see if there's any blockages in there. If you are doing, HVAC work and you want to see if there is something in your line or something in the hose, you can use it for that. And let's see what's down in here. Let's see what we got in here. All right, so let's run down into the block and see what's in our block. So this is what this is good for. You can look inside the motor without having to tear the motor apart to look inside of it. So as we see, we do see a little bit of wear in there inside the motor, but nothing of concern. Obviously, it's not a brand new motor, so it's not going to be, in perfect condition. But this is what the inside of a motor looks like without having to tear it down. And I see I got little micro scratches on it, which is, again, that's fine for me. I see that I have fluid in there. If you see in that upper right, that upper corner at the very top, this right here, that looks like fluid. So I have to reach out to my mechanic and I'm going to ask him, what do we need to do about that? Do we need to go ahead and bring it in for our rebuild, or what do we need to do? This is the Teslong TS43. It charges in about 2.5 hours, but this is a device that I've wanted for a very, very long time. This is a device that I would recommend a 10 out of 10. Link is down below the video if you are interested in it. But thank you for watching this video. Teslong, thank you for making a product that's amazing like this. I really appreciate it. Your boy is out until next time. Peace.